copy Jesus, or copy, Jesus, or copy. Hey! I find no. Only money I no get. Or copy Jesus, or copy, or copy Jesus, or copy.
Hey! You trashy, abandoned nitwit. I thought I warned you not to ever step your foot in this house. I said I do not want to see you or anything that belongs to you in my home. What are you still doing here? I'm talking to you. I said, what are you still doing in this place? I said I do not want to see you or anything that looks like you in my home. Didn't I?
I better carry your head up. Black butterfly. If I say something, they worry you for head. You don't get sense, so. You don't just get sense because if your mama train you well, you gonna say if you enter person compound, you go first of all say good afternoon, good morning, or good evening. You don't even greet me. You they talk to me anyhow because you see me for uniform. You will get yourself in your papa house.
Listen, I will not tolerate any form of rudeness from you. This is my husband's home. I will do whatever I deem fit and nobody can stop me.
Who are you? Who dash you? Who dash monkey banana? Feature one nezer. No, if you say you chop apple, you tell me say you chop apple. You go just there the talk and he marry you. The man don't say marry me and you say yes. You know the shame. Young girl like you with your big motor, you still there rush carry yourself. They put where man there. You won't buy a man with your mommy. Don't be my oga. You go feel buy with your money. You get the money where?
Joanne, do not dare me. You're too small to challenge me. Nobody, like I said, can chase me away from my husband's home. Not even you, a common maid.
As I dare like this, I be made though. I not be anything. If I go there like this, they give you pressure for your relationship. You know, if I take a chaff, never chaff when here. Now, carry your seat. If you not come over here now, you go enter menopause sharp.
Go in there, pack your belongings, and get the heck out of this house. Take your trashy self out.
Who just speak now? Who speak? Make I hear. So now you understand say Austin today. You get something way be like a house like this where you get. You don't get shame. When you don't get money or you run. Now you don't run come. Now you don't show yourself. They say make I come over for house where you no build. You talk nonsense. You know what you be? You be ungrateful human being. Ungrateful human. How you be?
Insult me again and I will smash your head on this wall.
Who dash monkey banana? You say you go do waiting. You go smash who? Head. I come in there, Hemery. I can want your slap. New Dubai. If I slap you with this hand, try it now. You want to touch me? I go to watch you. You go to touch me. If you touch me, I will kill you and bury you here. And nobody go talk anything. You the mad. You the crazy. I call you ungrateful. They pain you. You know what you be? You be unthoughtful. Not thought today your head. You see this your head now empty. Coconut now you be empty coconut. Unstoppable.
What did you just call me?
I see me not thought I don't need thoughtful. Unthoughtful.
Call me that name again.
Unthoughtful. What do you want?
Hey.
What do you want? Nonsense.
What's going on here? What's all the noise for?
Mbalele.
Joanne.
Sir?
What's going on here?
Sir, nothing, no. I there for here. Now this woman drive motor enter inside. She said, what do you do for here? You call me name, insult to me, speak English. Say make I go inside, they carry my property, they come out. Now I tell her, say, how I go there? I go tell her, say, how I go come out? Now you be my order. Now you pay me. Now you more. What else?
And you? What are you doing here?
Baby, I missed you. Didn't you miss me?
I said, that's enough! Listen, I don't want to see you here or anywhere around me. Now get out! Joanne.
Sir!
Send her outside.
Babe.
What are you bearing? He don't give me authority. Authority from my Oga to me. In a hand, yeah. Take yourself. Go. See why you look at me like that? Ajim, come out from here. You know one come out. You know one come out. You don't talk to them. Say, I'm asking you a question. One nonsense question. That question, no way to. That question is for you. Your papa will don't die. Your mama will don't die. In fact, your ancestors. I don't get them.
What did you just say?
What do you mean? What is this? I mean, they do look like that. They speak nonsense English. Eh? You know what you be? In fact, you be a artisan.
Call me that name again.
Actually, be a artisan. You don't mad? You boy, oh my goodness! Get out! I told you to the fuck out of me! If I get the fuck out of the door, you're a bitch! That is it! Get out! Get out! Oh my goodness! Get out! Get the fuck! Oh my goodness! Go me again! Go me again! That's why I said about you! Shut up! I'll see you! Shut up! The fuck! Oh my goodness! Oh yeah, baby! Oh yeah, baby! Jesus! Oh yeah, baby!
Austin.
My brother.
My goodness. Like seriously, I'm very happy for you. That you've been employed with a house, an official car.
My brother, this is still like a dream to me. I mean, I never imagined I would be employed as an IT consulting manager of a big oil firm with a house like this and a car attached to it. It's got no wonderful.
Nkechi will still think you're searching for a job and busy roaming around the street.
Hey bro, hold it there. Hold it right there. Why would you call her name in this conversation now? Huh? Please don't mention her name unless you want to ruin my mood.
I'm sorry.
Oh, that's not nice. You just ruined my mood.
I drink the way you make a drink.
Good afternoon. Let me have one.
Okay, the food where you say make I cook, you never done. No. If you done, I go bring them.
Yes, you can set the table.
Table, one person or two people.
Two.
Austin, this
yes.
your cook looks so beautiful.
You say?
I mean, extremely beautiful. I mean, you need to see how she walk, her waist. My goodness. Austin, don't tell me you're living with such a beautiful girl in this your house as a maid.
You told me you were looking for a wife, right? Why don't you just come and marry her? But remember what you always tell me. You do not like girls who are not classy and not up to your social status. Unless you want to eat and clean mouth. Huh?
Austin, not in this case. I mean, you have a classic girl as a cook in this your house.
Yo, hold it there. Hold it right there. Okay, that's enough. Please, that's enough. What's your plan? Look at this playboy, yo. I don't understand. I cover my chest with the blood of the Almighty God.
Austin.
I know who you are. And you're a very bad guy.
Austin.
Just stay away, please.
I'm not the Tobechuku you used to know. I've changed.
I don't care. Take your change somewhere else, not here. Please.
Anyways, thanks for the wine.
Enjoy your wine.
It tastes so good.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
I see the sweet us. He dey pain them. I see the pain them. He dey sweet us. I see the sweet us. He dey pain them. I see the pain them. He dey sweet us. I see the sweet us. He dey pain them. I see the pain them. Yes, sweet talk.
What thing be that thing where they sweet you, where they tell them, and who be the people where they pay?
Nothing concern me. Anything with a sweet me, it no concern you. But I know say you don't die finish. It don't dey pepper you since. So collect them.
My ex, why they waka up and down for here?
Who be your ex?
You know get work.
What kind of nonsense talk be that?
Why they waka up and
Now
down?
your house be this. It is say this is my village. Where they misbehave, think say that you be oga, that you be the king of Amankweke. Let me tell you, my brother, this place is not your house. If I like, I can perambulate up and down.
I beg, wetin happen to your time? Your clock, your watch is spoiled. You never know wetin be the time. You don't know wetin the knack.
Wetin concern you concern my watch. I be getting. In fact, you even buy watch for me. Wetin concern you concern my clock.
So your small sense, you know, tell you say a struggling man, a man where come city to come hustle, say hunger don't suppose they catch him by now. Your sense, your small sense, you know, tell you.
As he dey sweet us, he dey pen them. As he dey pen them, he dey sweet us. You should be shame of your shame for be your name. You should be very, very shame of yourself. Look at you, nonsense village man. Me. Okay, now you employ me for this house. Now me go cook, they bring for you. You they pay me.
Anyway,
Go.
as my ex, you no get another work where you supposed to do. If not to just cook, they give me. So
Brother,
I give you 10 minutes, make you go cook, bring food, give me.
brother, get man, there is no food. In fact, food never ready. You dey hear me? When food ready, I go send that small dog, make you come call you, make you come chop. But for now, carry your nonsense self, come off my front.
I beg, come up for here.
Come on for where?
I know what thing they pay you. Because I don't dump you. You know, they say the worst thing a man can do to himself now to go back to your ass. I can never go back to you.
Look at you. Look at you.
Never.
Talking. Eh? As you do, what you do me?
Sister.
Who be that?
Sister. Hi there. Hi.
Which one be hide here? Not be you again. Not be you when me and you they say something for traffic.
And me, oh my dear.
Which one be hide here?
You know, say whenever relationship enter for matter like this, man needs to calm down. They a bit soft.
Who and who they do relationship?
Nah, me. I want to toast you. I want to toast you.
Some people not just get to work.
No be this one self and a big work. Sister, I beg, can I have a time with you?
Even I say you the mad. I don't understand. Why you say you want to toast me? Why you want to toast me?
No,
What you want to toast me now? Tell me. I don't understand. Me and you they suffer. You they sell. Me and you they hawk. I they hawk. You say you want to toast me.
Calm down.
What you feel do for me now?
Calm down, make I go straight to the point. You know, say this life you get a CV.
Uh-huh.
I don't look you since where they say pure water. You go carry 10 bags, 8 bags, 6 bags. Before you know it, you don't say finish. You don't run, go ice. You don't carry another one. I don't just see you. I don't see your hustling spirit. I don't say you. You be like who go make am? Because your hustling spirit not be one person own.
Okay, they come to me because I they sell fast.
No. I say make I come tell you. Say can our relationship stand? Can we be in a relationship together? You know you as a
My
hustling
mother
person.
tell me say, I know if speak for English. Mama gwara m si onye ji ria wo ya rie nke gbara agba akpọ ya oria wo ya asa.
I know n'etiti mmiri.
Okay, nsogbu adịghị mana ka ị ghọta ihe m na-ekwu. I am suffering. Now, I will come and join a man that is already suffering. Don't just respect yourself.
Come. See, God don't do this thing, you know. God creates the rich for the rich, the poor for the poor.
How? You're so quick. I can never marry a poor man. I don't go suffer like this to go marry poor man.
Poor man plus poor man with small hustling is equal to rich. You don't know, as you're poor now, me and you, if we put our life together now, put your hustling spirit from my own, we can make it.
You see this nonsense where you talk, now make you never get the money. With all those things where you dey sell for traffic, you still never get the money. Pride full your head. Come out for
It's
here.
not about pride, sister, come.
All this nonsense where you dey talk, sister, I like you. Now make you come here.
No, not be here.
Now make you come here.
Love
But
go-
you no go come.
Love go come first before.
You no go see this thing, you no go come here.
Come on, calm down now. Accept my love first before we talk about this side. This side, na nature they carry person come here. Na nature.
See, I go shout oh. I go tell people say person won't rape me.
Person no feel like you. Person no feel like
Carry
you.
your stupid likeness to the go. I don't want you. You know they get yourself, I know they get myself. How won't take it there? Come out for here.
When we join ourselves together, we figure ourselves. Now love they do me this thing. Baby, sister, I can't say pure water. Give me, can't say, don't give me pure water.
Come on.
killing me now, yo. Killing me, killing me now, yo.
Stop it!
Wait, hold on.
Stop it, oh! Stop it, oh! Stop it, oh!
Nem, how are you? Hey,
You don't touch me, I the best for you.
What happened?
I the best for you.
What thing I do you now?
You're gonna go for my property. When I beg you for money, you no go give me. Which kind man you be? You don't call me love of your life.
Calm down now.
Ordinary 3,000 naira where your girlfriend beg you. Make I take do payment. Eh?
Baby, if you see the coil is still there.
They upgrade them. You big guests in village, they upgrade. Even people where they for city, they upgrade. Give me money. You leave me, go travel, go and be say. You won't tell your girlfriend.
Who tell you say I go and be say?
The mama tell me now.
You even be say where I go where be even my matara home. Not be my village be that on my matara home. You come the best.
Respect for me. Why you not tell your girlfriend say you dey go and be seen?
I come your house 4 times. 4 times I no see you.
Oh, mama, how quanti? Why didn't you call me on the phone?
Phone where battery no good. Your phone where the battery spoil. Now you go take.
Put down for the battery. Before me and you go talk anything now, you go give me that money. What you promise me, say you go give me. And let me even tell you something. That money don't add discount. You don't add better discount on top.
Which one be don't add discount? He add discount.
Yes, you know go give me 3,000 again. You go add 300 naira on top. So you go give me 3,300 naira.
The discount na 300.
Yes, so.
Ha! Now wow. So where the discount no go be problem, but the major thing be the, you know now.
He won't kill me. He won't kill us.
No.
He won't kill. You will give me the money.
You can't do
promise
this to me.
You go give me.
This to me. Can they anu? Ngongo ejiri mara ge ka akwashi aya.
Shaku wanke. Shaku wanke.
Sorry.
He go up and down, left, right, center. Oh, he hear him.
I beg. Are you?
Somebody told me that wait before you leave this village. What you they do be say all these girls where they there. That's got a one. If they had 2,000.
Which of the enemies talk that
before
one?
you were home was on them. You get you
Which enemy? Which of my enemies talk that one? They just talk this thing to make me and you get issues. You don't say who again?
So you want tell me say as you go that you're waiting to the column. Mbi say you know knock for this.
She thank you do full tank ebu mi alo.
So bad ho.
My 1 liter no drop.
Ngba give me the money. The money and the discount we don't talk.
Hey, the discount na go be problem.
He must dey.
Hey,
bring him. And make I tell you, if you give me now, no, because your mama there for house, we no go fee collect them for there. My mama there for house, we no go collect them for our house. So if you give me the money now, if you enter the collect them,
we will collect them for you. How? I let you what? Hey! You like this thing? Oh no,
you like this thing? Where they go?
It's all how much?
3,300.
Hey, no, 300.
Wait.
You not to kwazazi 300.
When you give me, make a count them.
The discount pass.
No,
plenty pass.
No, plenty anything. Wait, how much be that? Where you know say you get?
Discount man carry.
2, 3. Hey! Yeah. Meje kwa ye keme uta wana.
Nne the discount.
Yeah.
Tai! Ewa! Abule nkutu fua. Juwa. Where would they go? You say na by Kukum by Ishaja. Who they breathe? Oh, you woman.
Kizit, I don't think. This is our life. Not be so we will take make am. We'll be feeding from hand to mouth every day. Today money go there, tomorrow money no go there. You want to go? So I don't think am. Every time we go carry, me I go carry pure water. You go carry drink. We go city. Sell things, come back every day. It is very, very risky. We finish, they come back one day. We meet the robber for road. They go collect the one where we sell. What we go do? Go start it again. We gonna do say we dey work. But you know they get money. If person come sick now, Sick of 10,000 or sick of 5,000, we not go get the money, take solve a problem. So I don't reason and say, it better make we go city. Make we go city, go find work for there. If we reach there, what we go do be say, we go try find work, we be say, we go tell who they give us the work, say, make he give us, wajai bacha. So that at the end of the day, we go sleep for there. Before you know it, from that bacha to another good job, from good job, better job, so, go make them for this life.
Try.
What's your life will be?
Juliana.
How is it?
Juliana. You see why I talk say you be like say you no get sense?
Chimo, what can bring this insult?
No. Sometimes I dey wonder. You sure say you dey no be accommodate this your brain?
I dey ask you why you dey insult me now.
Because me and you dey follow go city. You go dey see people wey get car, people wey get big house, all these things. So greed don't they enter your head? No, greed don't they enter your head. The pure water wey you dey say, you never even concentrate, sell am well. Waiting the hungry you na to go city, go live for big house, go do this one, go find better work. Something they worry you.
You know, see am. You know, see say with this your character, you know fee make am for this life.
You say?
No be say you know fee make am. You no go ever make am for this life. When your mind, everything where there your mind na for this village, you know they even think past this village. If city no be better place, why you dey carry your drink from here? They go city go sell. The only thing where you sabi if you are coming from Amankweke, if you go there, you should go there. If I come back. That is the only thing you know how to do. And let me tell you, I don't go backward. So if you don't stand up well and become a man, or a relationship with one, make it yasa.
Make it yasa. They worry yourself. You know what they worry you? You know when they talk nonsense, you won't go city. Which experience you won't take carry go? No, which experience you go school? What thing you know where you won't go take find the work? You just they do anyhow. In fact, this relationship, you no go work.
See,
as I'm talking, this our relationship no go fit stand.
See who they talk about go school. Now bet all the people, you get people who they set things for main market. All those people they go school, but they make money. Now this thing, some people go from their house and they don't get anywhere. Some they go carry bag, enter Lagos, they sleep for under bridge till they become somebody.
You talk
now this nonsense when they talk.
Get out from
this
here.
Relationship, this relationship over.
Get away from here.
Oh, see
where they manage.
See
where they manage.
See this bingo.
Because of they manage you.
See, make I tell you, bingo. Make I tell you something. The only reason why make me accept you now because I want help your life.
Hey,
because
God.
I say you know sabi anything. All their shower went there for this village. You don't knock all of them finish. Yes, man.
Fine boys.
Nothing remain for you. I manage you.
Fine boys. So now don't see something.
Get out.
See who I manage. See who I manage. If not beside take my time. No. You for this thing for come out.
See this mugu. You see why I call you bingo? You be dog, but you know sabi knack. You know sabi. You just if you see any woman, you go the pursue. But if you reach for you to knack a woman, you know sabi anything. If we, now me teach you work.
How you take no say I be dog if I not dey give you dog? How you take no say I be dog if I not begin give you dog? You know sabi. Come up, look at this girl. If I didn't handle you well now, it can reach Kreko. Look at you. See as you just
before you come to me, I was well cold. Yes, before you came.
Something the plant. Something that was like a bird. You're talking me.
Make I tell you, say a woman feel beat a man. I go people for when you want to na stupid idiot.
No, why are you pushing me? Did you just push me?
Touch me. Touch me when me walk away. Touch me. Let me use this thing and scatter your brain. Make you know say me and you know the joke. Idiot.
You are becoming too aggressive. Nonsense, idiot. Come now. I'm not here. Your mate na bank. Some people go to bank to see their girlfriend. Some go to hospital where they are working. Some go to school. Your own. I'm coming to road. Every a hustle for pure water. Look at my low budget relationship.
See who they talk.
Idiot.
See wait. You they talk about people when they say something. At least I knock primary, knock secondary. You sabi nursery? If I say make you read ABCD, you sabi.
All the people who are senior.
You sabi ABCD.
No, only me no go school for my house.
Even 1, 2, 3. You don't know one kata chine ke walk.
If not beside they responsible now, they can't beat in way for collect now. Responsible men don't fight, idiot. Joa, my baby.
Are you mad? You the crazy? Why you go touch me?
Ju, come. You don't slap me now. Waiting again. Where you won't go again? Just as you don't slap me now, shebi you don't happy. Now waiting they hungry you since. Oh yeah, no wahala. Juju, how you doing now, my baby? My baby, how you doing?
I beg no verse. Now me they talk about you get another person will follow me stand here.
This one way they do eye like Abino. They do eye like this. Like who know they
You see they talk to me? You see they insult me? You won't collect another one? You don't come here Abino, thunder go fire your generation.
Oh yeah, come.
Let me hand.
You won't kill me here. What did they do? You say person want.
If you don't want to talk to me, get that.
This relationship one won't see back now. You can't do anyhow.
What do you talk? What do you just talk? What do you open mouth they talk?
No, they do this thing.
Relationship will go kill you.
You never verse rich.
What is your problem?
Don't give me two slap now. You never verse rich. See my baby, come. Oh yeah, wait now. See my baby, see, calm down. What is going on now?
What thing they happen for here?
Don't be sarcasm. No, I'm telling you, don't be sarcasm. Who
teach you English when you not even sabi spoke?
I know what you're saying. See, let me tell you, sarcasm means yes, just give me 1 minute. Make I take tell you.
See, man, don't tell me nonsense. Don't tell me anything. Make I tell you. I know I get where I dey go. I don't get time. You say make I give you 1 minute. The only thing I feel give you now 1 hour. If you talk, I'm not make I dey go.
Okay, make I manage.
Manage the 1 hour. Make I dey come up for here.
You know, say na me know you too well. Na me know you reach here. Inside here.
No, don't even talk about this one because you see for this side you know sabi anything. Na me teach you work. So you suppose they pay do more age to me.
But I know everything where they here. I know the things where they like.
I don't talk am.
I make I go bring something where I know say you go like where.
Hey, nothing be that.
Who they bring? You go see man. You don't say we not see the be see am. Red is dangerous and beautiful, see am. I know what they like.
First,
39 you get over.
Wait, he go good to make you know say my should pass this thing.
I take pass.
My should pass am.
No, this one get over.
And they make I even ask you one question. What make you to buy pants for me?
Because I know say you need them. So we'll take settle our difference.
See, the last time where I check am, me and you we say this relationship no work again. So you go your way, me I go my way. So I don't know what you dey talk.
You know feel spoil. No, na me start the relationship. Na me know when it go end. My baby. I love you.
So you have the right to start and end. What a buy day.
I beg.
Okay.
Just take this thing. May you forgive me. This one now from deep down my heart. You see the color. Now shut down.
I want make you know something. You see this timber where you buy?
Panty.
Or panty or timber?
Na panty.
I don't need them. You see all those ashawo where you they follow? They give 500 to knock them. Go and do what? Give them this panty. I don't need your pant. And I won't make you enter your medulla oblonga. Make you enter your medulla oblonga say this thing where you call relationship. Where you think say me and you they are kwakani keneshi enemy. Make bomb. Ihe we doko aya adugbo. Wonder from today, if I cut you up and tell you, I will chop it. Nonsense, man. You open your mouth to insult me, insult my family, my generation finish. You say make we continue relationship. What thing will they do? Money you not get. The thing where they do, you know sabi do. The vision, you not get vision. All your vision are for this village. Holy Ghost, wabam.
Men are going through a lot. See this life. Men are seriously going through a lot. I swear.
Juana beg, take it easy, no go. Juana, take it easy. Your blood is too the hot. Juana, take it easy. Put up.
I don't know. Find anybody who will help us something. You walk. You want me to walk? What do you want from me? But I feel they sleep here for you. You know my
she's very good, man. Oh well, if you come for peace, oh yeah, baggy peace, if you come for trouble, oh yeah, baggy
here? Who they here? This work, where carry me come this city? I must find her. I must get her.
Uniform. Uniform.
I say, waiting make you find me. Come to this place. What are you gonna do for here?
Waiting I find you come to do here. You dey live for mansion. Waiting you dey find for mansion. No be batcha you say you dey come city come find. Waiting carry you come mansion.
You no go answer me now. You no go answer me before I begin to show you pepper.
Madam, we talk waiting I feel here. See, company take me for work. Na company send me come here. So I don't know why you dey shout. See my resignation letter where they take carry me come here. Yeah.
Which company? I know they work for company, they work for one man. So if you person don't tell you say they work for here.
Which one be the work for?
I am the chef. You don't know what to be chef.
You be chef?
Yes. Chef. Chef.
You be like say no.
Wait, make I tell you what I be before you go to insult yourself. Me and you know they for the same level. You be hawker, and that is what you're going to be for the rest of your nonsense life. I said I am a chef. 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 You know what in chef they do? Chef they cook for big men. My oga wait for this house, not only me. Only my food in the chop.
Wait, make I understand.
Yeah, you know be the same.
That one put in your way they carry for food flash, they can't give me for village. Now you don't carry come here, one can't keep it.
If now one pete you know go the chop am. I say, waiting you come here, come do. You never answer me. Wait, now here they work. Now here they work through. Yeah, as I dey see you now, say na here they work and na here they post me. I don't dey see myself for
you post me as what?
As I never do well.
Post you here for waiting.
I dey see myself as I never do well.
You look me from head to toe. You go see I there for uniform. Me and you not be the same. What thing you come here come do?
Madam, make I repeat myself. As I dey see you sef, I dey see myself like who they say e no get better for you. Because I don't know how I go waka for this whole city. They no post me another place. Now where you dey again? They use you swear for me. No, they use you swear.
You don't answer me what you come here, come do.
That company bring me here.
Come do waiting.
See, company post me here, make I work here. Why they
work here as waiting? We dey find work.
My company go arrest you. Why they push
waiting
me?
You come here, come work.
I be gate man. Now me be the new gate man. Your oga post you saying they find gate man. Now company carry me come here. What did they do you? Let
me tell you, anything where you get them out, this is your mouth where they smell. Make I tell you, you should be very, very happy. In fact, anytime when you go church, you go thank, they go. Now me make you come this city.
How?
If I know you sort your useless life, you know for come here. But make I tell you something. My God not tell me saying they expect any person for this place.
Why you go tell you?
So
wetin be your value?
You go come out.
Wetin be your value wey go make I tell you? Madam, abeg.
You go dey go outside.
Wait now, make dem go arrest you. My company fit arrest you.
You dey hear me?
You dey do anyhow.
You go dey go outside. If the person wey send to you come, you go come inside. Because my God not give me anyhow.
Why they push me? See, why they push me? Now you get house, you carry your stubbornness come sit there. What did they worry you now?
Yeah. See, come up for here.
Wait, make I make up. Make I put gun. I go put gun now. Wait, make I put gun. Hey, you not going to make I put gun.
Put them outside.
What did they worry this guy? Who came and carry animal like you? Enter in compound. You must be no man.
My God don't tell me say idiot like you dey come.
Oga, if I put gun, they say na here be 14 Obabi. If you hear mistakenly be 14 Obabi, I enter here. Your own don't finish. Just not say your own don't finish. Make them just confirm say here na 14 Obabi. When they post me, go punish you, make I enter here. Idiot. Make I put gun, this same here you they play. This man number no complete too. Na 8 no.
As you do at the church you say na to go and be say useless yourself for there come back. My brother, as you do me all the things where you do me finish, I still carry my pot. You dey here, but your own you don't empty your.
Come on. Come on here. See person where take learn how to.
Oh, so na me be your first. Na me you take learn work. Then you supposed to pay me because I teach you work. I teach you work. You know sabi anything.
Style why not take you do?
Man, me teach you now.
Everything bush grand.
Champion.
You don't get how not take you.
You don't sabi anything. I don't come ewu.
See your test finish now I leave you. Person why finish tag ko bubu akoko me chai heni na tufu.
Oh yeah. You think say you finish me? Now can you test and see. What about go to Akure water board? One man cannot finish a woman, but me, I single-handedly finished you. Bianchi was on. Bring 100 men. I will finish them. I will finish 100 men. You know me. I'm a look at you. A woman is virgin you. Open your mouth to the top. Useless man. You say this house hunger will finish you. Useless man. Look at you. You finished me. You have no idea. You don't even know what. It is now that I begin to sweet. Kita ka 1 million. How? How? Why Akure water. Oh, you have. I don't know. You have no idea. Kita ka Konji ge buke no na. Konji. Iko ta shawo ngwa yo. Shine, Mobo! Where is this Shine? Shine!
You dey find the dog? You did that side, that backyard side.
They find which dog? Now you are the find now. Now you. Why are you like this?
Now me they do.
Now you there. Because there's nothing that different between you and that dog now. So now you are the do.
So what thing happen?
And your food I bring. Carry.
You say what thing?
Your food now. Me I don't say you like food where you sabi chop. Now you make plus your own or plus the one who got the men and kwaba hanchani in there.
So now me bring this sacrifice.
I don't get your rice. Is it?
Now me bring this sacrifice.
What did they got sacrifice?
Hi.
For village where you come from, you don't chop this kind of food before.
My God.
Did they give you food? You no go chop them. What be your work? Not be to close gate open.
If you look the food now, it be like waiting they put poison. And your face itself be like who go won't give me poison one day. Look am, see am well.
Oh, go to Rico Mbadoga. So even if I want to poison, I go poison you. If I poison you, waiting I go gain. Even if they take you do sacrifice, na counterfeit you go produce. So waiting make me want kill you. I beg you take this nonsense food. You talk nonsense.
Now me you keep this thing for.
Now your food, na.
Now me you get mind. You even bring food for me. Get mind bring this nonsense. Come still get mind again. Keep am for grand.
If I keep am for ground, wetin happen?
Joanna.
Jubuoru.
You see say that time when you dey there they talk nonsense. I dey here they look you. As I enter my room, you think I know they look you again. You just dey there they talk. Say you go beat me, you go do me this one. They shake your ass, they praise yourself.
You go chop, abi you no go chop. Make I comot for here. They make noise.
Okay, no wahala. As you don't get mind give me this nonsense now. It be like waiting poison there inside. So I command you now to test them. You have to test it.
Hey, Commander in Chief, Chief Executive Officer. Hey, when you're going to Ibonyara. Don't the name of and I nonsense. I should eat what? See here, I can see that your insult is becoming too much in this house. Maybe because you think say me and you do one now you don't have respect again. Let me tell you something. You see this nonsense what you just do, and this allegation where you level me, I go tell Oga. And if he reach you sack.
No, they remember what me and you do. You are in my past though. You relax for my past. Now for my past, you get 2 rooms today.
I help you, my brother, help you to show you how they enjoy life. You know sabi anything.
Chop this
even as you don't on top of me, I got me gonna show you. I go this way, go this. You know
not the only on top. You know get side why I know they on you.
That is what
I follow your back, follow your camera. And only on top you they remember.
Just agree saying I teach you walk.
You know anything.
I teach you walk. I don't
know. See, madam. That nonsense where they talk, I know they hear and begin chop this food now. I go begin beat you. You know say you don't they do too much. I go begin beat you. And I go beat you, I'm gonna go even recognize your face. See, I tell you, if you try am, if you ever beat me, I cry for you. Man of home Juliana. Okori igwe. Etiko kwe woken po no zaga. Ni man of home. Try it. Chop this food. Chop this food.
Touch me now. Touch me.
You don't they touch my chest. Touch hand for my heartbeat. You want beat me?
What you want
beat me? No, you want beat me? Come here. But you can go ahead. I'm going to tell you 12.
Yeah, you can tell you 12.
But you can go ahead. Come here. Come here. Come here, sister. Touch me now. I'm going to tell you 12 now. I'll flog you 12. If you talk nonsense now, I'll flog you 12.
Who's the wrong for you? Don't tell your man.
Hey! What's going on here?
Sorry. Oga, what be this nonsense man? We no know in right from in left. He say he's hungry. I go carry food to go give him. He's offering to collect food from me, eat. He carry allegation, level me. Say I put poison.
What?
They find who to kill. No man, not the carry.
Kiseto.
Sir?
How dare you accuse my chef of poisoning in my house?
Oh, Oga, I beg, just give me 1 minute. Just give me 1 minute.
Wait, then go. I don't pama. How can person go give person? Oga, this guy don't be better person. Huh?
Oga, see. Just look inside this food. Look and well. Look me. Oga, see the vomit. Just see the sacrifice where this wicked girl carry give me. See what she serve me. Something where dog self go reject.
Hey! I was so honored. You are a liar. Oga, it's a lie, yo. Who give you this kind of food? I give you food where I arrange well. Now you go scatter them like this. With the 2 meat well done on top.
You say what?
You scatter them, make you for tell Oga.
Wait, just hold on. This thing where you talk now, you go feel repeat.
Why go repeat?
If they say me you repeat this thing where this lie, this rubbish will just come out of your mouth now, you go feel repeat.
I really talk 2 times.
Okay.
Why I go repeat them? Why you go the lie put on top of my head?
No wahala.
Kiseto.
Sir?
Don't you ever accuse my chef of poisoning in my house. Is that clear? Why would you do this to your food?
Okay, this thing where you talk now, I won't understand something. You dey believe this girl?
Which kind of nonsense talk, brother? How you gonna question your guy?
No, I won't know this thing now where you talk now. Just sound like say they believe this girl. You won't believe her.
You don't question your guy, you won't collect sack.
Me, your fellow man, where your fellow man they tell you something. You can't they believe woman where they bend down the piece, where they talk nonsense.
See, drop. Waiting concern peace, concern this thing where we talk for here. You know the peace.
Okay. Joanne.
Peace.
Joanne.
Sir, sorry.
If you served him this kind of food, then you are wrong.
I know serve him more.
All right? This kind of food is meant for dogs and not humans. All right?
I know serve him. I know go serve him.
Kizito.
Sir,
get to the kitchen and sort yourself out.
na man you be.
Okay, please, no vex.
Na man you be.
See, you not fit enter my kitchen, carry food from my pot to chop. You know they possible.
That one na when I never receive presidential order.
Which kind of nonsense?
I hold presidential order now to even carry the pot.
Now you cook the food.
You say?
Now your pot.
Okay, you say wetin?
Now your pot.
Okay, you go see wetin.
Okay, come over here.
Hey, see this girl. You dey try. Hey! See. The one, this one not be like when you dey play. You be like say you don't know wetin be national order. You don't know wetin be presidential order. I get order to break this door now. Open this door now. I go use my presidential order wey I collect now. Take break this door. You know they hear what Abi backyard door no dey. You tell me I dey joke.
She dey mobo. Even this one where dog go reject, you no go see chop. She dey.
Stupid animal. I received presidential order. You dey talk nonsense. That meant poor people children in the hard for them to make them. They just carry you from village where your parents stay. They chop abacha. Ordinary abacha carry you come city. You can't do anyhow. Can't do anyhow. Thunder fire you there. Idiot. You tell me how you dey play. Oga say go inside carry food. You can't give your own second order. Thunder destroy you there. Idiot. Confirm. He say we dey joke for here. Because God use you punish me here, carry me and you put for one house. Come be like say we don't become mates. I go chop this rice finish, still enter there. Carry any other thing where I see there. He say me and you dey play. Idiot. An animal without respect. Wetin be this? Oh, you 10 minutes can jebulu. Now water pot? Hey, pot of water. I don't do mistake. Don't do mistake. What's the pot of rice today?
Problem is not the finish, yo. Make we try to enjoy. Wahala is not the finish, yo. Make we try to enjoy. Hey!
You know, for one thing, na me we million na sa animal take aga.
Ijekagu mi.
Idiot.
Ijekagu moroti na. Ijekagu ta pepe soup.
Come on, get away from here, animal. Oh yeah. I didn't the rice. Okay, the rice.
Uwami bushuru. Uwami. Awu mmiri ekwensu.
For city.
Okay, take this girl, oh. Take this girl. Now nothing I go take kill him, oh. Me, I will use nothing I kill you. Take kill him. Get him stone. Come close.
Idiot ekwensu.
Get this shima blood. Okagi. Come down.
What you be said? I will not wait to. You dey try me. What did you do? What did you do? You go play something here. Make I tell you. You see, Oga go come out.